Hey guys, I'm going to be showing you 3 ways to make you sneeze. Number 1, smelling pepper. So what I have here is pepper in a bowl. That's one way. Number 2, I don't know what that was. I don't know what this was. Number 2 is a Q-tip. Oh, this is the most weirdest feeling. And just in case you don't like that way, you can do it in the other nose. A lot of things make me sneeze, so I don't know why. And finally, and not least, number 2. Oh my god. Number 3 is tissue. It's a piece of tissue. All you want to do is piece. Yeah, guys. So that's all I have for you today. Like and subscribe on this video, and I'll see you later. Peace out.